tonight. The last video I made, well, okay, it wasn't the last one, but the one about the epoxy, it was terrible. The framing was awful. It's hard to be a one-man show. If I was a cameraman, I'd adjust, I'd pan up, but you know, when I'm just doing one shot, I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm shooting. So, tonight, big game. We have paint, hardener, thinner. We're gonna work backwards. Silicone inferner and alcohol absorbers. So we are going to start with the alcohol. I'm going to clean off the car. I already blew it off with the air hose. Got any dust that landed on it. Start with the alcohol. Move on to the silicone. Let it dry in between. And we're going to mix up some paint. Paint the car. So, let's mix up some paint. I have 4 quarts of this. I guess it's a quart. I don't know if these colors have been all mixed together or not yet, so I'm going to use this big bucket and do just that. Put tape all over it to make it fun. I'm going to mix them together and just put them right back in here. It's not going to be that interesting for you to watch, but that's what time lapse is for. Okay, I don't know if you need to check the tape, but I poured out 4 cans, ended up with 3.5. Pretty happy with it. There's some, okay, I got some runs in it, but I'm still learning about this paint, So I'm okay with that. This is one of the nice things about doing the inner body before doing the outer body is learning the products. So yeah, I got a few runs, but overall, I'm happy with what's going on. Right now, it's just dry to the touch. Color-wise, well, hold on a second. So, as I was saying, color-wise, here's a piece that came out from under here, and it's the driver's door. I think it came on this side. Anyway, it has some of the original color on it, so I kept it. As you can see, the color's pretty nice. On the can, it says that it's a Range Rover Old English White. I know that Matthew Rendell went with a mini Old English White. I think they're all probably pretty close to each other. If you liked this video, click the like button below. If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want to make sure Google reminds you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Your support is very much appreciated.